During the last 2 days, the macroeconomic calendar was almost empty. Market participants had enough time to prepare for the bulk of economic data that will be revealed during the US trading session. Publication of the US final GDP figures is the main event of this trading day. The data could be significantly lower than the previous estimates that showed a drop of 4.8%. Economists suppose that in the first quarter the US economy contracted by 5%. Usually such figures are considered to be extremely negative. However, in this case, they will hardly influence investors' sentiment. The fact is that investors are well aware of the grave economic situation. Moreover, they have already priced in the preliminary estimates. The final data is only a bit more accurate compared to the initial figures. Nevertheless, analysts expect the US dollar weakening ahead of the publication. At the same time, other economic events may support the US national currency. Thus, the US durable goods orders may advance by 8.5% after a 2-month slump. This information could encourage market participants. Moreover, the US durable goods orders is a leading indicator for retail sales and industrial production. So, if the predictions come true, it will be a sign of rising consumer activity that is the main driver of the US economy. Economists also suppose that the US unemployment claims will go on dropping. Of course, the figures are still extremely high, but a decline in both first-time and continuous claims is a positive sign. Thus, a decrease in the US dollar amid the GDP data is likely to be a short-term phenomenon. By the end of the day, the greenback may show a jump. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair was moving downwards. The pair was hovering within the range of 1.1300–1.1350. Traders opened a large amount of short deals that resulted in a resumption of the previous correction. The euro-dollar pair is approaching the support level of 1.1180. It means that the quote may fall deeper to 1.1080 and 1.1000. According to the chart, the downtrend is still prevailing. If the pair continues dropping, it may hit again the level of 1.1180. However, the quote may slow down at this level and rebound. Short deals could be initiated if the price consolidates below 1.1165. Yesterday, the pound-dollar pair showed a rise from the level of 1.2350. Traders were actively opening short positions when the pair was hovering near 1.2500–1.2540. A day before the recovery, the pound-dollar pair slowed down at the mentioned levels. According to the chart, the price is fluctuating around the level of 1.2400. Earlier, it rebounded towards 1.2455. The pair is likely to trade within the range 121.50, 123.50, 126.20. If the price consolidates below 124.00, it may start moving towards the level of 123.50. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a nice trading day. Bye.